Hello my cakesters, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly.o_ and let's get straight into this video. Happy Monday. I love starting my vlogs on a Monday. I know already. This is going to be my first official vlog since October started. It's October 6th. It's 11:02. So we're currently at the bank. We're at NCB. You know, your girl is a big saver and big spender, but emphasis on the big saver. So I put in some funds on my US bank account because you know that bank account you can transfer necessarily from a US bank to the next bank. I might charge you one bag of fee. So might as well let us draw it off and deposit the money in that account. So that's what we'll be doing today. I also have a drop off for a customer and I sold some microphones that I got from TT shop. I'm dropping off that as well. I used to go to JMMB to complete my tap send video because I'm supposed to get a Visa debit prepaid card and I need to sign up back for the gym. Yes, remember my son is October. I know I'm going to start the gym. It's October, so we're going to start the gym. Oh no, bank things go already. So when we come back in the car, we'll catch up. We just got through at the bank. I was in there for probably 20 minutes max. That's so much? I don't think that's so much. I never feel like so much. We're going to head into halfway three. We're heading to the Alpha Trino. I got to express up on my morning starters. And this morning, our category of music is gonna be gospel. I don't know, CC Williams just get it for me all the time.
Let today be the day, but I'm holding on. Deep down I know this world
My ear come out of the
NCB.
NCB. You can't see shit.
There'll be no war. We've been waiting so long. Your goodness is running out. Faithful.
We're finally here at Starbucks. I did a little scoop-de-doop. We're gonna go inside and grab our ice white mocha shake and espresso as usual. So let's go. So we're back in the car with the shake and espresso, guys. Starbucks finally get back the old straws. Was the only one location I see with it though. Say no more do. What's that up? I'm not really come off a location like that because it's not my personal fave. I feel like it's too busy. Okay, the oat milk is a little too much, but I like my coffee more caffeinated than the average person, but it's still good. We got our Starbucks. I could go do my first drop off, you know. Guys, I just flip back over my hair. I like my hair like this with YouTube, but not from a TikTok. So when I go see the flip them in between, hopefully my mom will flip it back over. My dear, you're so tighty. Tight. Sorry. I reached my custom as a long-standing customer. Thanks, boo. Me and that girl usually go high school together. Really sweet girl, by the way. Really sweet girl. So from a start, Ash, she been a support me. I put her order, she put long-standing customer. I'm downstairs of the new gym. I don't remember what floor it was on, but Kelly and I came the last time. So I want to say me that come to the gym. So me go and see which floor they're on. I wish they had like let you know what floor exactly it's on. Me just go up on the elevator. I think it's either the second or the third floor.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day?
So we're inside the elevator. The gym is actually on the second floor. Somebody me telling them and I like the elevator. Yeah. Whoa. Thank God. My dear. Hope the sign up process not take long. Cause I want to reach them before the rain. Girl, but they don't want to spend the money when they spend right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man.
Chat with sign up. It took them no time to take my money. So the first time when I sign up, it's 11. But after that, it's 9. The reason why I switched from Express is because Express was a little bit too pricey for me. I was paying probably 16,000 every month. And that never include personal trainer, so I was like, no. But the reason why I did do Express is because I know some rotate between Portmore and Kingston. But remember, we are create the routine. But let's pick up Portmore gym. I'm wondering if I should get a patty as lunch because it is currently 112. Yeah, I think I gotta get that. Get a Red Bull and a cheese patty. Oh no, don't judge me! You know, when I go to supermarket, take a buy KFC after. That's how I feel right now, but don't judge me. Please. Pretty, please. Mega get gas. I am a bar below half. At the 6.5 full up the tank. But just pay 6.5 for the gas. I'm so happy because when it comes to like that, I feel like I still a drive patience versus the other day when I go, I put gas in my car. The lady said 10,500 and nearly shit up. I say I 10,500. That's literally a minimum wage. That's literally somebody pay for the weed. The greatest thing God bless with, so we're able to pay for them something. Yeah. In all honesty, I was supposed to pick up the JMMB car, but in my gut, I feel like the car not ready. I'm just not waste my time. Honestly, not waste my time. Because so tomorrow I'm supposed to go in Kingston and buy some raw materials. So fingers crossed, card is ready for tomorrow, and I can just pick up the card, put some money on it, do a restock for Ash, video that, so that way I can actually make the video as effective as possible. Get me? Yeah, we work smart and not hard. We have one thing to do when we go home. I'm going to start selling soap base, so I'm going to do a promo video for that. I will also be showing the persons that come into my class what they get in the kit, so I'll be doing a video for that as well. I need to do a TT video. I don't do a TT video for the day. I think we did pretty good so far. I love a productive morning because why we almost get everything done before 2 o'clock. Quick update. It is 3:36. I went ahead and shoot 3 TikTok shop videos. I also did my soap making kit, which is going for $10,000. You guys can check out Ash Biking, but I'm not gonna see what in it. First of all, QQ packaging. If you don't get this black box, you get a white box. You get the soap base mold. You also get 2 gloves called safety first. You have the option to choose whether you want turmeric, neem, charcoal. You also get 20 shrink wrap bags. And last but definitely not least, the main ingredients, 5-pound soap base. This can make 20 soaps. You're able to make between 20 to 25,000. If you're interested in this kit, I'll leave a link down in the description box. Yeah, chat. So I'm gonna do that video there for the soap kit. I'm gonna do the soap base video by itself. What I have left to do is to actually make soaps. So I'm gonna sit down and write down my list, because you know me, I'm a pen to paper girly. I have 40 pounds of the raw materials to make the soaps. I should get 160 soaps, and I know for sure it's probably gone halfway in that, because one customer ordered 60 soaps already, and I have 2 outstanding orders, which is 20, so that's 80. So I'm going halfway. I'm gonna get orders today when I'm gonna do a create content, so I'm going to do my pen to paper and see how I need to make the product. It's later down in the night. I actually just came out TikTok live. I'm gonna take off the lashes because it kind of feel a little bit too comfortable. Everybody come off. It looks so and cool. I actually going to reattempt to do my lashes. But let me tell you guys what we're making. 60 turmeric soap bars, 20 charcoal, 30 neem, and 10 coffee soap. So I'm going to put on the turmeric soap bars to get it out of the way. So that way when I seal them soap, the next soap them I make. Let's go ahead and make some soaps.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say.
I made the 60 soaps. It's currently 7:24. While I open them soap, they've said majority of them set already because I had to do it in 2 separate batches. Maurice now going so fabulous. Well then better, I'm gonna edit the business video when somebody do want to edit and be a little progressive. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna edit that. Only can't go see because the SD card where my edit pan are actually this. So only the pan. I just went ahead and pour my neem soap bar. It is 9:10. I feel like we're going pretty good. I only have name the left for the 20 charcoal and 1 coffee. The coffee is currently on the stove. I feel like we're going pretty good with the time management. One thing. You're going with that? Are we? 10:29. I just finished making all the sauce, but the part that I dread is actually shrink wrapping. Like, shrink wrap takes so much freaking time. But my son has spent 24 hours with mama, mean 24 hours. Another person mama said 24 hours, which should probably be like 8 hours, but it's gonna be 24 hours. So this is all the turmeric soap by charcoal, neem, coffee. We'll have moringa and neem over here, so, and of course the logo. Me that watch some TikTok. But let me know how much you think I actually make. Anyways, mega seal the soap. I'm gonna do a time lapse on my camera. And guys, this is my comfy time. I can't sit upright, so don't expect me for to sit upright and look all sophisticated. I'll be watching TikTok. I will be slouching on my comfy time.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself, I think it's enough.
my to-do list the night before. So now I feel super flustered because I want to go to the gym. I want to ship out orders and everything. So I'm going to take a brief minute to actually like look at my orders because I don't think I have in-person delivery. Majority of them is supposed to be like Knoxford Express. I'm going to package the soaps that I made last night, or should I say this morning.
Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the brunch of the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Esty. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby.
When I tell you, say I had to speed come in a Kingston to drop out the Knoxville package them.
Right, my AI just changed. It just buzzed the front.
Man, I know you say after I see my daddy and I like cut up the things to put on the soap, and I have to do that for my UK customer because custom being I play with her shipment, like them man broke up the soap them, I threw out the product them. Like, you know what, enough is enough, but now I'm gonna make you face no more losses, etc. So I had to do that for her. My daddy, I end up buckling out the shampoo, the conditioner. I'm not even required that because the moment I realized that okay, time is going, my buckle down. You know them pick now, buckle down, my buckle down. But alright then cool, me I go post office too. Like I was saying, post office Knoxford is all I want to do. Because tomorrow I have my soap making class, my one-on-one class. Shut! Guess what time me go bed? 4:52. I said, I never did even go kill up myself to go to the post office because it was a package to go to UK as well. But my next UK customer, I gotta use FedEx. So I never gotta kill up myself. The post office there, them take an eternity for do zip mail alone. So I know that the UK one that end up mess up the Knoxford. Why that put it now? Like when you weigh out the opportunity cost. One customer versus 3 customers. And one of them were coming from the week before. So I'm like, you know what? I could just prioritize the Knoxford myself. First ever go to add chosen, I went 160. You hear me say? 160. All the people that wear me a bad them up. I mean, I say, girl, them people, them done work, them do what they want already. Are you late? Relax. I some of this easy myself and play too much sicker. I reach at the Knoxford 5:47 and they close at 6. I haven't eaten since morning and the time is 6:28. So I'm wondering if I should carry you guys to get food. And I know I signed up for the gym yesterday. But I forgot the gym. As you can see me in a little gym clothes because I'm gonna actually go on a walk with my boyfriend. The only reason I'm actually eat this is because it's the closest thing to me right now. Well, look at how good they're at this one. If it's not the general chicken, I wonder if I should check if they have general chicken. So that's the one drive home and then we'll walk. Okay, we're gonna do that. Your dinner, yay! I never expect them to have general chicken, and then try make me know say them actually close 9. One time my drive so fast come. No, the mother say, Kim, are you a race car driver? No, I'm not. But me drive so fast come because I thought they closed at 8. I got my general chicken. Let me take a picture of her. She not too the presentation cute, you know, but it's not too you know, picture. Rather she taste good than she look good. Can't tell her when last me eat look at Tokyo. The rice. Not only them alone, the fries. I think everybody else the yellow rice. I think the other little Tokyo brand, and no one are ready to yellow rice. Look at them alone. But my man is there. Soon a bite here. I'm sorry. Oh, but you chicken, I'm maybe that intrude. I'm gonna just do a fresh batch. I know so we are cancel out the calories, so we get vegetable. I'm going to ask me that because I don't know my eat vegetable from Chinese because when we go to grow, there's a Chinese restaurant in Portmore when we go. You see one roach in there and from that like I not eat vegetable from them because the steam and them do the vegetable, the roach. And the roach are the fly. It's like the heat trap him and I do that. But me as a girl we cancel out the calories. So I'm get vegetable. This actually tastes really nice. Man, if I caught a long time, I'm eat them food. So I'm trying to say I have a meal prep. I have a meal prep because if I don't meal prep, I'm going to find myself, I do this and I waste my membership and things. So I'm going to try to meal prep for next week. Guys, don't judge me from today, please. Comment shout out time. But can't believe that. And I actually comment, like, y'all really engaged. Comment that really stood out to me. And I know that I'm supposed to just randomly pick, but this one, hear me out. This one is from Leah-UC7PW. The moment this popped up on my phone, I was cheesy. Because I was a little bit in my brain about, like, based on the video that I did before, I was a little bit still in my brain even after that video. Just a tad bit, not a lot. I'm away from home, Jamaica, and I'm just living vicariously, viciously, the Lee. I don't remember how to pronounce that word. Show your videos. I love your videos mainly because of how you speak and interact with people. I feel as if, say, you treat others how you want to be treated, and that's a from a little security guard. No matter who you be, anybody in this walk of life, once I interact with you, I'm going to treat you how I want to be treated. So when they start being weird to me, I'm like, what did I do? I really appreciate you for highlighting that. You vlogged your post office runs or ordering food. Yeah, tries to be a big buck. Act like a big man. And you were never angry or showing bad vibes. That's so true. Even on my rough days, I try not to like make the moment or anger consume me because it takes a lot of effort to be angry. But people say it takes a lot of effort to be angry, and that effort can literally be a way better person. I was once an angry person. Angry was when my dad passed. Like, I was so angry at the world. I don't even want to talk about it, but I was just an angry person when my dad passed, and it consumed me so freaking much. I said, no, we cannot live like this. I'm gonna say no. If I wake up in the morning, 8 o'clock, I'm gonna wake up 8 o'clock, I'm happy. Things just don't get to me like one time. Even on my birthday, like my sister said, I was wondering if something did you because you never meant to bother you. Bear in mind, as I left my yard for my birthday, I get one ticket. As I left my yard, like when the policeman give me this art, thanks. Like, I'm not gonna kill up myself. I'm just not gonna do it. I believe the effort where you used to be an angry person or be angry is just not worth it. I'd rather to be happy, in all honesty. And I really appreciate that you actually highlight that. Y'all have me cheesing. Always laughing or just being charismatic and jovial. If I laugh at you, if you don't me laugh, what you want me to laugh? Act like a big man. I remember back in January, I stumbled on your page and you mentioned in passing the plans you have for the year. Then you came back with the intentional video of hitting mail for your business. And you did. That was so inspirational. The other day I was going watching my TikTok and I'm like, girl, you actually did that shit. Like, with little to no money in your account, say you're gonna do this and you actually achieve it and you brought persons along the journey. And I think that's what really make people gravitate to my content, because I brought you guys along the journey. I'm gonna know, say, hey, this shit is taking up a lot of time. So I really love that. I wish I can do like a part 2 to that eventually one day, or a bigger milestone, and like bring you know. In response to the request to the comment what we want to achieve, I feel like I've done enough for the year. I'm chilling now. Hello. Like when this in a party, I'm like, go off. Okay, you ate that up for do what you want to do. I was just there at the 10th month now, like. You ate that up. You were not playing. I'm really happy that you actually just a calm see right now, because for a lot of people, this is like a crisis moment. Me a little bit, no, but a lot. You have a little bit of things left to do, say push yourself, and then when you look, you feel as if the year wasn't the year that you wanted. But for me personally, I always remember, because my brain, I think monthly, weekly, daily. So me I go remember. So thank you so much for your comment. This one is from Joey Diaries. The 2 things I want to achieve by the end of the year is making enough money to pay for my work and travel fee. Girl, write down the days, the weeks, the months, and how you can active. If you have to start up a little hustle quick and fast, if you have to lucky in a one call center for 3 months, if you're living with your parents, you know that's a free money. If you have good parents, you use that money for work and travel. I tell people all the time, call center is effective when you have a plan, babes. And my plan was to get my plane ticket for going. And one little job, even if you have to like juggle a little bit more once you feel like you can manage, find a second job, start a little business, and see where it goes, because you can achieve it. I promise you, you can. The second thing thing is, and pay my school fee. I plan to keep a pop-up on Grand Market and the days surrounding. I'm just asking God that I achieve it. I want nothing else. Girl, when you're ready for your pop-up as such, just send me a DM. I will show you some support. I will repost it for you. Once you have faith the size of a mustard seed and you put in the work, you will be totally fine. I love how everything that you said was super intentional. Our last comment shout out is gonna be from Analyst Lifestyle. Kim, I need to hear this because I struggle with the 1 meal a day thing. The only time the dusty summer just have my first meal. Last week was better though, I won't lie. Last week was better. Last week I was eating 2 solid meals for the day. My husband keeps getting on me about it and that is not good for me. So yes, accountability is crucial for change. I love how mature you are for your age. Firstly, thank you so much, girl. From my little, I've always gotten that. I'm very mature for my age. My mindset is very advanced for my age. Even my big sister sometimes be like, I feel like the little sister. Are you the big sister? I like to laugh about it a lot. From my little me, I hear say the way how I think, the way how I plan is very mature for my age. I'm really happy that I still have that trait to this day because you know some traits we develop them as a kid, but because we invest much in them when we get older, it totally vanishes. So I'm really happy that I still have that trait that you actually realize. But girl, we're up on the eating. Alright? Tell obviously was super. Alright, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys really loved the video. For me personally, I feel like you guys actually spend 24 hours with me. Like most times, as I tell you, what does the 8 to 5 hour I'm just fling on the size of 24 hours, but this feel like we're locked in, like MTV crib. Like I feel like one of the right beside of me. As my wake, my vlog. As me I go up on the room, my vlog, and I really love that. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a next video like this. Even if you don't say no, now see, come like it. The secret emoji for this video is going to be a white heart because the purity, the love that is on my channel, it doesn't go unnoticed. So I want y'all to drop that. Remember to leave in the comments and the next video I can do my comment shout out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!